I believe in strength. I believe in strength physically, emotionally, and spiritually. When I look at the definition of strength, the quality or state of being physically strong, that's only one small part of what strength is. I think of strength as the ability to overcome great obstacles. When I was in 8th grade, I will never forget the teacher that belittled me in front of my peers and to other teachers. She was upset over the science fair and that another Hanson was going to be successful, which meant more work for her. My older brothers both received very high honors during the science fair and went to state. My teacher did not want to go through all of this again with me. She even went as far as the day of the judging to approach the judge and tell him not to even bother judging mine because I didn't do the work my dad did. She thought since my dad was a professor of art at Bradley University and my project was on ceramics that he did my experiments, not me. Well, I'm happy to say that her mean tactics didn't work. I received first place, and the judge went back to her and said to her that I know what I'm talking about and that she should be supporting me and not tearing me down. She didn't break me. In high school, my freshman year, a friend of mine committed suicide. This was my first experience with suicide, and it was very emotional. I questioned why I didn't know how depressed she was. Why didn't she reach out for help? What could have been so bad that she took her life at the age of 15? I had to find the strength emotionally to deal with the fact that one of my friends was gone. I stayed strong. In college, my senior year, my younger brother was going to need a kidney transplant soon. We were all tested to find the best match. It ended up being me. I was the best match at 98%. I was going to be graduating college, getting married, and now a donor all within 2 months. It was an emotional roller coaster, feeling excited, worried, and scared. I knew I wanted to help my brother, but it was a very uneasy feeling of not knowing how everything was going to turn out. I found strength in my faith and put everything in God's hands. Happy to announce the surgery was a huge success, and my brother is doing fantastic. We celebrated the 25th anniversary of the transplant on December 23rd, 2018. My spiritual strength grew. On July 4th, 1998, my greatest joy came into the world, my son Michael. Then, March 22nd, 2004, I was divorced and a single mom. I had to find the strength deep within me to survive. My physical strength to keep me going when I wanted to quit. Emotional strength came from my family and friends that believed in me. Spiritual strength from my belief and faith in God. The worst day of my life came on January 26, 2010, when my father passed away. This day, the strength had left me. Even though I didn't feel strong, luckily I had my family, my brothers, my son, and my mom. We were there to comfort each other and give each other love, and support. I felt angry with God. I began questioning my faith. Why did God have to take my dad away from us? He was the rock of our family. To this day, with life struggles, all of these obstacles that I had to go through have made me a stronger person. I feel that if I follow God's plan, I can overcome any obstacle in my path. I am strong. This I believe.